Hey my beauties, it's Sharon and I have a quick and easy Valentine's Day look for you all. It's very quick and easy, I promise. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. So we will be priming the eyes and I'm using soft ochre from MAC and I'm applying this all over my eyelid and I'm using my fingers to blend, and then I will be warming up my eyes using this mid-tone brown shadow and applying it into the entire eyelids up to my brow bone area. This is a good transition color as well, so make sure to blend everything together. And then I'm taking a creamy shade shadow and use this to highlight my brow bone and also clean the edges as well. Then I will be taking this cream eyeshadow, bronze cream eyeshadow, and I will be applying this onto my entire mobile lid. See how pretty this eyeshadow is. I like this eyeshadow in particular because it has a built-in glitter already, so it's just so beautiful and sparkly, and I love sparkly myself. Good thing also about this shadow is that it is a one-step product, so it makes everything very quick and easy. So now I'm just taking Buck from the Naked Originals palette and I'm applying this onto the crease area just to blend that cream eyeshadow that we applied on our mobile lid. And then I'm taking a fluffy brush to make sure that everything is really well blended. So now we're done with the eyeshadow and we will be moving on with eyeliners. So today I'm going to do a semi-wing eyeliner. I just love my wing eyeliner. I thought that I will not do wing liner today. And oh, by the way guys, if you want to see a video on how I wing my super hooded and uneven eyes, just let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm just tightlining my upper waterline and of course apply your favorite mascara, and I'm doing just one coat today. And of course don't forget to curl those pretty lashes, and I will be also applying some falsies. So moving on to the face, I'm applying this. Actually this is an eyelid primer and eyebrow primer, but somebody in my Facebook group has posted that this also works on the face, so I tried it and yeah, it actually worked. So today I'm using my Revlon Color Stay foundation and I am in the lightest shade. I don't know, I forgot what the shade is, but I will be listing it in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And then I am concealing my under eye and my blemishes. As you can see, I have a very big pimple on my upper lip area. It's been a while since I have pimples, you guys, and it hurts really bad. So now I'm just blending that concealer using my fingers and with a sponge as well. Oh yeah, Johnson's baby powder to set my face. You heard it right, girl. So I'm just slapping it all over my face and also the neck as well. I don't know, I just love using this powder. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. So now I'm just quickly filling my brows, my very sparse brows. And I have a video on how I groom and fill in my brows. So I will have the link on the description box in case if you're interested. So now I'm just making my nose look a little taller. And of course, I will be contouring my face. Not too much, just to give a little shape and definition, because it looks so flat when we applied some foundation. So now I'm just applying this blush that I got from the 100 yen store. I love this one. It's very pigmented and pink and cutie. And of course I will be highlighting my face using my all-time favorite highlighter from MAC, which is Soft and Gentle. And I'm finishing the eyes using that cream eyeshadow, and I'm making it a little dramatic by dragging it a little lower. And of course I'm tight lining the eyes using the gel eyeliner from E.L.F. Then I will be applying tons of coat of this L'Oreal mascara onto the lower lashes. I just love this on my lower lashes because it just makes them super long. And then of course I will be lining the lip naturally as usual. Yep, and then I will be topping it with this Revlon Balm Stain. I forgot the shade of this one. I will have it on the description box, yeah, later. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Just very quick and easy. So that's it for this easy and quick makeup look, but still very put together and elegant as well. Super perfect for that evening date night on Valentine's Day. And yeah, I pretty much like the way it came out. Yeah, I definitely love it, and most probably I will wear this on my date night on Valentine's. And if you decided to wear this on your Valentine's date as well, make sure to tag me on all my social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah, I really love to see your own versions if you happen to recreate this one. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this makeup look, and if you do, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks to come. So yeah, I hope to see you next time, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I'll see you next time, guys. Love you all.